Click here to subscribe. Crong gets bored.
Pororo and Crong have come to visit Loopy at her house.
Loopy, how much longer?
They're ready now. There, please enjoy.
Wow, they look yummy. Loopy, it's really yummy. You're the best.
Really? Thank you.
Wow, Crong's awesome. You're the best.
You want to learn how to make cookies from me? Okay, I'll teach you how.
Are you sure you can do it? Then be a good student, Crong. I'm gonna go now. Later.
Bye.
Crong stayed behind so that he could learn how to make cookies.
Crong, this time be really gentle, okay? Here you go. It's okay. Let's try again. Oh, Crong, what's wrong? Let's try something else. This is how you do it. Here, try it. Okay, now after we mix, we have to put in the flour. Here, do it. Crong, are you okay? I think we need to start from the beginning. What? Crong? I can't understand you. Crong?
Crong quickly got tired of making cookies and left Loopy's house.
Crong, did I scare you? Just a minute. Oh, this? It's the helicopter that I made. Cool, huh? Wow, it's awesome! You're the best! You want me to teach you how to make a toy? Okay.
This time, Crong is going to learn how to make a toy from Eddy.
Crong, helicopters are hard to make, so let's start with the pinwheel. First, we have to cut colored paper like this. Gather the corners into the middle. Then you have to fix it with the pin like this. Crong, try and make one. Press down like this and fix it with the pin. There! Like it? Easy, huh? But helicopters are hard to make. It's really fun to make pinwheels, too. I'll go get some more colored paper and materials. Oh, where did it go? I found it. I'm ready now, Crong. Oh! Where did he go? Oh! Crong!
Crong went back home without having learned anything.
Oh, Crong! Let's
make a snowman together. Oh, how was it, Crong? Did you learn how to make cookies? There! All done! Oh, it's Ppo and Ppi-ppi!
Hello, we came for a visit.
Hello, Ppo and Ppi-ppi!
What are those?
Oh, those? They're snowmen. Like them? Nice, huh?
Who made this snowman? It's very nice.
Mine's pretty, too.
Teach us how to make a snowman. Please teach us.
Ah, that's right. We're supposed to meet the others in the playground. Ppi, Ppo, come with us.
We don't want to go.
Why? It would be fun if you came.
We're going to make a snowman. Right, Crong?
Oh yeah, Crong was going to teach you how to make a snowman.
I'm excited. Thank you.
I guess I'll be going. Goodbye.
It's not working. We just keep doing this. This is no fun.
Oh dear, Ppo and Ppi-ppi are tired of learning how to make a snowman.
Ppi-ppi, Ppo-ppo. Ppo-ppo, why you? Ppi-ppi. Ppi-ppi. Are you okay, Crong? Ppo-ppo. Ppi-ppi. Let's play, Crong. Making a snowman isn't fun. What's wrong with him?
After seeing how Ppo and Ppi-ppi acted, Crong remembered how he was with Loopy and Eddy.
Crong, what is all this?
Crong told Ppo and Ppi-ppi what happened today.
You want to say sorry to Loopy and Eddy? Then we will help you, Crong.
Crong remembered how kind and patient Loopy was.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Crong, Ppo and Ppi-ppi prepared a special present for Loopy and Eddy.
Yay, this is fun!
Oh? You guys look really tired today. Did something happen to you?
I was busy fixing something that Crong broke.
Oh, I was busy cleaning because Crong made a mess while I was trying to teach him something.
Really? I knew that would happen. Crong.
Hey, guys. Hello, we came for a visit.
Hello!
But Crong, I heard you caused a lot of trouble instead of trying to learn properly.
It's okay.
What is it?
Crong invited everyone over to his house.
Wow.
Did you really prepare all this?
Crong must have felt bad for getting bored and doing whatever he wanted.
Oh, wow! It's a pinwheel I taught you to make. Oh.
Let's see how well you learned to make cookies. Oh, yucky! Thank you anyway, Crong.
Me too, thank you, Crong.
Everyone had a great time with Crong. And another day flew by.
I hope Ppi-ppi and Ppo-ppo have a safe trip. Oh, what's wrong, Crong? Ppo-ppo and Ppi-ppi made it for you.
After teaching his friends how to make a snowman, Crong seems to have matured a little more. You should be proud, Crong.